Okay, we are doing G17, page number G17 it is. After this chapter, we will start with linear equations. Okay, after this, we will start with linear equation and inequalities. Okay, algebra, fifth one. Algebra, fifth, we will start. Okay, so today we
Okay,
complete
sir.
this chapter. Okay, so see here, sixth one. Sixth one, it is a square. So diagonals, what they do? Diagonals bisect the angles. The diagonals bisect the angles. So these angles all will be equal. And this whole angle is 90 degrees. So this will be 45 degree. Diagonal bisect the angle. Okay. And diagonals meet at right angle. So here it is 90 degree because diagonals in a square meet at 90 degree. Okay. These are the reasons. Okay. Now we'll be doing seventh question. Okay. Let's do that. We'll be doing seventh question. So again, it's a square. Say square. Okay, 1 minute. This is not the diagonal. So only one diagonal. The other is only a line. This is there. Okay. Now this is Z degree. 83 degree. And P is written here. This one is P. This is X degree.
Which chapter?
It is page number G17. G17.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Page
it is
number
correct.
G.
Sir, which chapter you have started or that?
I am done sixth question,
No,
sir, it is correct.
we haven't started.
I am
We'll start in
sixth
next
question,
lecture.
Sir, it is correct. Sixth question.
Okay,
Sixth
do
question.
one thing, sixth question. You click the pic and send me on WhatsApp afterwards, okay?
Okay,
Sixth question. Okay. So this is the A, B, C, D I mark. A, B, C, D. And here I mark Q, okay? This is clear. Now first we have to find X. Can we find X? X will be, this figure is square. X degree equal to
45
45
degree.
45 degree.
X equal to 45. What is the reason behind it? Because
Diagonals bisect the angles.
diagonal bisect the
Diagonals
angle.
bisect
So
the
see
angles.
here, angle ABC is 90 degree. ABC is 90 degree and BD is the diagonal. Diagonal bisects the angle ABC. Therefore, X degree equal to 45 degree. X equal to 45. This is clear. Is Y degree also equal to 45 degree?
No,
Yes
sir.
or no? No. See here, CQ is not a diagonal. CQ is not a diagonal. It's not a diagonal. So how we can calculate Y degree? How we can calculate Y?
We can assume it as a triangle BPHC, then
Okay, we won't assume, but it is a triangle. So no need of assuming. It's a triangle. So see here what we write in triangle. So this angle we already got. It is 45 degree. It is 45 degree. Okay. In triangle CPB. What is the exterior angle? DPC is an exterior angle. So see here, angle PBC, PBC, this angle, plus angle BCP, BCP equal to angle DPC, DPC. Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Sum of the interior opposite angles. What is this? X degree plus Y degree equal to 83 degree. X degree we already calculated. That is 45 degree plus Y degree equal to 83 degree. Now Y degree equal to how much? 83 degree minus Y degree equal to 30. It is 45.
32.
30. 32 or 38. How much it is?
38.
38.
38 degree. 83 degree minus 45 degree. Calculated. Or see here how you can calculate. You can calculate this angle the other way. Now this is the triangle. Angle sum property of the triangle 180 degree. Okay. Both way are clear. Either the exterior angle sum property or the all the interior angle sum property of the triangle. Okay. Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles we have used here. Clear? Anyone have doubt? So x we have calculated, y. So y equal to 38. We have calculated y as well. Understood this one? Now how
Yes,
to
sir.
calculate z?
Sir, first we have to calculate angle PQB.
PQB. Okay. There's one more easy method I will tell you afterwards. Let's see what you are telling. Okay. Angle PQB. This angle you have to calculate. Okay. How you can calculate?
Angle CBA is equals to 45 degree.
Angle
DB. Sir, DBA.
DBA. This is 45 degree for sure. And this angle you can calculate 83. This is 83. This how you are telling.
Opposite
Opposite
angle.
angle. Now angle sum property of the triangle you can calculate this then z. Okay. This is fine. There is one more way as well. Now see here. I draw the figure. You can see that. There is one more easy way. Okay. See here. This is what? Yes. A, B, C, Q. This is Z degree. This is Y degree. This is 90 degree. Can you see this one? This is how much? 38 degree. In this triangle, angle in triangle QCB. QCB. You can see that one. This AQC is an exterior angle to this triangle. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We can calculate using this one. So angle QBC plus angle BCQ equal to angle AQC.
Z.
This is how much? Okay, this is how much? 90 degree plus Y degree, that is 38 degree, equal to Z degree. So Z degree equal to 128. Z equal to 128. This is clear? You can
Yes, sir.
calculate this way. Okay, there are many ways as well. Now see one more way. This is 83 degree, you can calculate this angle. This is 45 degree, this is 90 degree. So this is a quadrilateral. So angle sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360. You can calculate that way as well. There are many ways to calculate, okay? This is the easiest one, okay? Understood? Anyone have doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Trapezium, we discuss for a minute, no issue. So how we can calculate? Here it is given isosceles trapezium. That means the non-parallel sides are equal. The non-parallel sides are equal. These are the two parallel sides and the other non-parallel sides. They are equal as well.
Sir, we have to do this in notebook.
No need, just I'm telling, if you want, you can do, that's up to you. Y degree, X degree, this is given how much? 64 degree. How we can calculate this one?
Okay, sir.
Okay, how we can calculate? Yes, the non-parallel sides opposite to them. This is 64. This will be how much? 64 degree. And these two angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Parallels, these two are supplementary. These two are supplementary. Or these two as well will be equal. You can calculate that. Okay. Okay. Now 12th question. Do 12th question. Read the 12th question. Try to do. After a minute, we'll do that one. Okay, in 12th, see here. Again, we are provided with a square. Again, we are having a square.
Sir, that 8 question we have to do in notebook.
8th question, that's up to you. If you want, you can do in notebook.
Sir, when we have to send homework?
Homework first complete. Okay, Monday you can send. Okay, till Monday you can complete and send. Okay, so this is ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Okay, and they are meeting at point, or these diagonals are meeting at a point. Oh, there is one more line passing through the center, and this angle is 78 degree. Yes.
Sir, can you
Okay.
tell what is the homework?
See, and no homework is there. Just complete this exercise. 12th and 13th we'll discuss today. Okay.
Exercise
Today we'll
first
complete
B.
first B. First A you already completed. Yes, first B. Okay. So see here, this is the diagram. Now what angles we have to calculate? ABCD is a square. Okay. Prove that triangle OAB. OAB. It's an isosceles triangle. We have to prove triangle OAB as an isosceles triangle. How we can prove it? 10th, 4th, you have to wait, okay? Afterwards, I'll tell you 10th. Okay? So how we can see? See here, what is this? ABCD is a square. In a square, the diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. In a square, the diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. So what is this? In a square, ABCD. Diagonals are equal, so what we write? AC equal to BD, because diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Okay. Now, if we do half of AC and diagonals bisect as well each other, half of BD. Or this step you don't need to write. Therefore, AO equal to OB you can write, because diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. So in triangle, if two sides are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, you can write last time. In triangle, AO equal to OB, therefore this is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now find angle XOD. XOD, XOC. X, where is X? Okay. Here is the X. XOD. This angle we have to find and this angle we have to find. Okay. How we can find these angles? See here. This is clear. These two angles you have to find. Okay. This angle is how much? DOC angle. Angle DOC is how much? 90 degree, because diagonals meet at right angle. They meet at right angle. Okay. They meet at right angle. This is 90 degree. Okay. Okay. So this is clear. Now we'll be taking, see here, in triangle DOX. DOX. This angle will be how much?
45 degree.
45 degree. Okay. this angle will be 45 degree. So in triangle DOX, angle XOXDC, angle XDO equal to 45 degree, because diagonal in a square bisect the angle. Okay, angle XDO equal to 45 degree. Okay, other angle is 78 degree, so this angle will be how much? We can, so angle sum property will write angle XDO plus angle DOX plus angle OXD equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of the triangle. This is how much? 45 degree. This we have to calculate angle DOX plus angle OX. OXD is how much? 78 degree. It is here. Equal to 180 degree. So angle DOX. This will be how much? 50. 130.
123 degree.
5, 8, 3, 4, 5, 123 degree. Equal to 180 degree. Angle DOX will be how much? 180 degree
57
minus
degree.
123. That is 60, 57 degree.
57.
Angle DOX equal to 57 degrees. Okay, so we have calculated this angle 57 degrees.
Question.
Now, yes,
We have to do 14 and 15 question also.
no, 14th and 15th question we don't have. We don't have to do. Okay, 14th and 15th question we don't have to do. Okay, so see here, angle DOX we have calculated 57 degrees. This angle we can easily calculate. So this we already written. So next step, angle DOC equal to 90 degree. Reason, diagonals meet at right angle. Okay. So angle DOX plus angle XOC equal to 90 degree.
So what you return in second bracket?
Okay. Here,
No, sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here you have to write diagonals bisect the angle. See here, these diagonals are bisecting these angles, and so it was 90 degree, it will be 45 degree. So diagonals of square bisect the angle, or diagonals in square bisects the angle. Okay. So diagonals in square are bisecting the angles. Okay. Therefore, this angle will be 45 degree. This whole is 90 degree, and half of this it will be 45 degree. So triangle sum property, angle sum property, the triangle we apply, and we have calculated this angle 57 degree. Now this angle we know, angle DOC, it will be 90 degree because diagonals meet at right angle. And this angle is sum of these two angles, angle DOX plus angle XOC. So this angle plus this angle is how much? 90 degree. And this angle we already calculated 57 degree. Angle XOC 90 degree. So angle XOC equal to how much? 90 minus 57 degree. This equal to how much? 33 degrees. Okay. Now you can see as well, 57 degrees plus 33 degrees. It is 90 degrees. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Anyone have doubt? Okay, may I repeat now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the next one. Next one is its rectangle. Start doing next one. Next one is a rectangle. Okay. X 2 and that is to okay, this is like this. I draw a bigger one.
Sir, enough.
No, the breadth I have to make a little bit bigger. Okay. It is like this. Okay. This is X. This is Y. This will be how much? 90 degree. Okay.
90 degree.
Now we have to calculate X and Y. We have to find the value of X and Y. So see here, there is one ratio is given. X is to Y equal to X is to Y equal to 2 is to 7. Okay. This is the ratio. So we can write X by Y equal to 2 by 7. Okay. X by Y equal to 2 by 7. Okay. So there are many ways to do it this one now. Okay. So if we take the triangle, this triangle we take, then X plus Y plus 90 degree will be how much? 180 degree.
180
is-
degree.
Okay. And X plus Y will be how much? 180 degree minus 90 degree. That is 90 degree.
90.
Okay. Now see here, two
90.
equations are there, two unknowns. So see here, there is one thing we can do. We can put
2x.
Y in terms of X or X in terms of Y. Okay. Anything we can do. Okay. If I write like this, X equal to 2 by 7 Y. Using this equation, I write like this. Now value of X I put here. So it will be how much? 2 by 7 Y plus Y equal to 90 degree. And it will be 9Y upon 7 equal to 90 degree. So Y will be how much? 90 into 7
70.
divided by it is 70 degree. Okay. It is 70 degree. X you can calculate. X equal to 2 by 7 Y. So 2 by 7 into 70 degree. It is 2 into 10, 20 degree. Okay. You can check as well. 70 degree plus 20 degree, 90 degree. Understood? So what we are doing? X is to Y. This is our first equation. This is there. This is there. Now putting value of
Sir,
X. Yes.
sir, without writing equation, we can do by
Yes.
by the sum of ratio also, by adding
Yes.
the ratios and finding the answer, finding
Yes.
x and y.
Like X equal to. So see, remaining is 90. Remaining is 90. X equal to how much? 2 by 9 into 90. Y equal to how much? 7 by 9 into 90. That way as well you can do. No issues. Okay. So X is to Y is given. X by Y is 2 by 7. X equal to 2 by 7 into Y. Okay. X plus Y plus 90. X plus Y equal to 90. This is our second equation. So now putting the value of X from first and second, we calculated the value of Y. Now using first, we can calculate X. Or using second also, we can calculate X. Y 70 minus 90 minus 70 will get 20 degree. Is this clear? Any way you can do. Okay, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the 13th question. It's a rhombus. So diagonals bisect the angle, diagonals meet at right angle in which two figures?
Rhombus and square.
In rhombus and square. Always remember this. Okay. And if I say diagonals are not equal, then it will be rhombus or square.
Sir, Sir,
Yes. Rhombus.
sir,
Yes.
Rhombus.
can we do like this?
Sum 2 plus x equal to. Yes, that way is there. That's the ratio, that is x is 2 out of 9. Total is 9. 2 out of 9 of 90. You can do like that. Okay, find x and y. We are given rhombus. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, and 2 diagonals. They meet at O. This is 30 degree. This is X. This is Y. This is Y degree. X degree.
Sir,
is
X
here.
is this side.
Yes.
Sir, from Monday when we take class.
Same time. Okay. Monday 10:45 we are having class. This time only. Today it's possible that they will replace the wiring. Okay. So it will work. Today's
Okay,
morning sun was there early, so it worked at 8:15. So today they will replace the wire, I think. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, so we have to calculate x and y. How we can calculate x and y?
Why are
So
you taking
first,
classes this much late?
yes, my net is not working in morning. There's some issue. These cold days are there, so there's some issue in the wiring. They will be replacing the wiring today. That's why we have took the class today late. Okay, so see here. Now in this triangle, how we can calculate? In triangle AOB, angle AOB equal to how much? Angle AOB equal to how
90
much?
degree. 90 degree.
90 degree. What is the reason? This is 90 degree. Okay, this is how we represent 90.
And diagonals of the
Because
diagonals of the rhombus meet at 90 degree.
diagonals in rhombus meet at right angle. Meet at right angle. Diagonals in rhombus meet at right angle. Okay, so angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Now we can calculate x degree easily. We can calculate x degree easily. So see here, this equal to 90 degree and angle OAB, AOAB plus angle AOB plus angle ABO equal to how much? 180 degree. Sum of these three angles, 180 degree, OAB, 30 degree plus 90 degree plus
Sir,
angle
time
A.
over.
Just wait a minute. No, it's not over. 1 5. 5
Sir,
minutes are
5
over.
minutes are remaining.
Okay.
5 minutes, sir.
So it is 120 degree plus angle ABO equal to 180 degree. And don't worry about time. We are having time. We can extend up to 2 or 3 hours. Okay. So angle ABO equal to 180 minus 120 degree. 60 degree. So this angle we got as 60 degree. Okay. Now how to calculate y degree? How we can calculate y degree?
Angle AOD equals to 90 degree.
Angle AOB. Okay, that way also you can do. Okay. There is one more thing in see here. Okay, two property we can have. Okay. So see here. Okay, there is one way. This is 30 degree. This will be 30 degree. This is 90. You can calculate. Okay, 60 degree. That's one way. Okay. This is 90. This will be 30 degree because diagonals bisect the angle. So this will be 60 degree. 90 plus 30, 120. 180 minus 30, 120, 60 degree. There's one more way. See here. Angle ABC. Angle ABC equal to angle ADC. Why? Opposite angles in rhombus are equal.
Equal.
Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. If I do half of angle ABC equal to half of angle ADC. Okay, 1 minute. I write it. Okay. It's better if we write like this. Angle ADC equal to angle ABC. Angle ADC equal to angle ABC. And diagonal bisects the angle. So half of angle ADC equal to half of angle ABC. I'll put half on both sides. This will be how much? Angle ADO equal to angle ABO. This is x degree, this is y degree. Y degree equal to x degree equal to 60 degree. So y equal to 60, x equal to 60, y equal to 60. Understood this one? This whole angle is equal to this angle. So half of this will be equal to half of this. These two angles will also be equal. So these two angles are equal, opposite angles of rhombus are equal. In rhombus are equal. And diagonal
Sir, how
bisect
they are
the angle.
opposite? Sir, how they are opposite x and y?
See here how, see here, okay, we draw this rhombus. Okay. A, B, C, D. These two angles are opposite.
Yes, sir.
So we have written angle ADC equal to angle ABC. These two are opposite. Now if I take half of angle ADC, half of angle ABC, they will be equal as well. They are equal, just putting half on both sides.
Yes, sir.
Half on both sides. And this half of ADC I can write angle ADO. ADO I can write. And why I can write? Because diagonals bisect the angle. Because diagonal bisect the angle. That's why half of ADC I can write ADO. And half of angle ABC I can write angle ABO. I can write because diagonal bisect the angle. This angle ADO is half of angle ADC because diagonals bisect the angle. Okay. This is what? ADO is what? Y degree. Y degree equal to angle ABO. ABO is x degree equal to 60 degree. Y equal to 60 degree. X also equal to 60. Understood now?
Sir, what is written in the sir box? Bracket.
Yes. Here,
Sir,
okay. See here, angle ADC equal to angle ABC. Opposite. Here, we will be writing opposite angles in rhombus are equal. Okay. In parallelogram they are equal. In rhombus they are equal. In square they are equal. In rectangle they are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. This is the reason. And why half of ADC equal to angle ADO? Here diagonals bisect the angle. Diagonals. This diagonal is bisecting the angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. And this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay. This is one way. Okay. There's one more way. There's one more way. What is this? This is also 30 degree. This total 60. Now take this triangle. Take this triangle. This is 60. This is 60. This will be how much? 60.
60 degree.
Okay. What kind of triangle we have? This one.
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Okay. In this case, we are having equilateral triangle. Only in this case. Okay. This is 30. This will be 30 degree. Now this triangle 60, 60, remaining 60. You can calculate that way as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Understood now. Any doubt you have? 10th, 4th.
Thank you, sir.
Any more
Sir, can
doubt
we
you
leave?
have? Yes,
No,
you
sir.
can leave now. Okay, those who are having doubt in 10th, 4th, I'll be discussing 10th, 4th now. Okay. And those who want to leave, they can leave. Okay. Leave silently. 10th, 4th, I have to discuss.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, 10th, 4th, we are discussing now. PQRS is a square. Started from PQRS. PQRS. This is a square, it is provided to us. And then 2 points are marked. B, see how they are marked.
Sir, which
That is
question?
10th, 4th. 10th, 4th. Okay. So see here, you can see here in this diagram, it is a square, PQRS is a square. Then B and C are marked such as they lies midpoint. They lie midpoint. So PS midpoint is B. QR midpoint is C. Midpoint of QR is C. And they are being joined. Okay. So this side will be equal to this one, this and this. These all, they are equal. Okay. Moreover, midpoint of PQ also. Here as well, midpoint A. And this, they all will be equal. See here. PQ equal to, QR equal to, RS equal to SP. Because they are sides of a square. Then we have taken half of them. A is the midpoint of PQ. This will be equal to this one. And C is the midpoint of this one. That means this is equal to this is equal to this and these all are equal. Okay. And this is X degree. Now they are being joined. Okay. This you have to find X degree and Y degree. X degree and Y degree. This you have to find. How we can find? So see here. PA equal to, these two sides are equal. Okay, easiest way is these two are equal. X, this will be X. Okay. Okay, first we calculate X degree. Okay. First we are calculating X degree. How we can calculate X degree? If we take the triangle. In triangle PBA. PBA. In triangle PBA we are taking. Okay. What kind of triangle this is? PB equal to PA. Why they are equal? Because they are half of the PA and PA equal to PB. They are equal. For 1 minute, write it like this. PS equal to PQ. This is clear? Side of a square. Sides of square. Okay. If I put half of PS equal to half of PQ. Half of PS, PB. PB equal to PA. This is clear? Why? Because B and A are the midpoints of B and A are the midpoints of PS and PQ respectively. So half of PS, half of PQ, BP, PB. So these two sides are equal. That means, therefore, triangle PBA is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. That means angle opposite to the equal sides will be equal as well. So now we can take, this is 90, we already know. Okay. So angle PBA plus angle BAP plus angle APB equal to 180 degree. This is how much? X degree plus X degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. 2x degree equal to how much? 90 degrees. So X degree is equal to 45 degrees. X equal to 45. Understood? So X is how much? 45 degree. X is 45 degree. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
X is 45 degree. We have calculated this one. Okay. This is also 45 degree. We have calculated. How to calculate Y degree? How we can calculate Y degree? More ways are there on X. This will be 45 degree. Okay, they are here. One way is that
Sir, both are 45 degree.
they both are 45 degrees. I'm searching for the easiest way. So one way is these two are congruent triangles. So this also, okay, for y we can calculate this way. Okay, 1 minute. These two sides are equal. Okay, if we take this triangle, this also we can calculate 45 degree. This will be 45 degree. Okay, we can calculate this one. This is 45 degree. And triangle and PQCB is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. PQCB is a rectangle because these two sides are parallel as well equal and the angles, they are 90 degree. If in quadrilateral, two opposite sides are equal and parallel and even one angle is 90 degree, then the whole quadrilateral will be a rectangle. Even if one anterior angle is 90 degree, quadrilateral will be a rectangle. Understood? Two lines are in a quadrilateral, two lines are parallel. So we draw two lines is parallel. They are equal. Now even if one angle is 90 degree, this is 90, this will be 90 degree. The remaining as well has to be 90 degree. Okay. So PQCB is a rectangle. So first we will solve for x, then you can solve for this triangle and calculate this value angle 45 degree. Okay. Now this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle and this angle is how much? 90 degree. So angle BCQ equal to 90 degree. BCQ we can write angle BCA plus angle ACQ equal to 90 degree. This is y degree plus 45 degree equal to 90 degree. Y degree equal to 45 degree. Y equal to 45. Okay. Understood this one? Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any more way to solve? Easiest way? 45 is 45. That will be 90.
Yes, sir. One more is
Okay. What's the way? Okay, it's fine. Okay.